Ma'am and my dear friends. I am Pratham Gandhi from 6th B. Today my science experiment is forming smoke using a matchstick and a foil paper. For this experiment we will need one foil paper, one glass transparent and one candle, few matchsticks and one pencil. So let us start our experiment. First we will take the foil and 5 matchsticks. Put the pencil. The top will be on open side and the rest of the pencil will be closed by the foil paper. So we will take the 5 matchsticks and put like this. Between the pencil and matchstick. Then we will roll up the till end.
The end.
Roll till the end. Then carefully fold the top, the extra foil, and also carefully put out the pencil and the sticks not come out. Now carefully lift this straw and put the matchstick like this on the top. Now take the candle and start hitting. So let's keep hitting until one. Careful. Now lift the foil and keep it on this. Now see the smoke. So that's all my science experiment. You can see the smoke coming out from the bottom of the straw. Thank you.